What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching another Izzy's review. All right, so you know what time it is. We're still in quarantine. We're still dealing with this pandemic, COVID-19. I hope everyone's staying home and safe and cherishing their loved ones. When it comes to the face mask thing, I really struggle with it because I do not like things covering my face. It gives me anxiety and I can't breathe and I start to like hyperventilate. I tell you, have you ever gone go-kart riding and they make you put that helmet on and all you have is this and your mouth is covered? I have to take like deep breaths and just like talk myself down. Or I went and did BB gun at an amusement park, arena or park, whatever, and they make you wear protective gear. And I had to like go in the corner and breathe for 60 whole seconds because my mouth and my nose was covered. I have a fear of being smothered. I have a fear of like being constrained in tight spaces. So like when I'm watching a movie and they like throw somebody in the trunk, I'm like freaking out because I'm just like, oh, what if my arm is like twisted and my knee is in my neck? Like that freaks me out. So I didn't want to waste money purchasing masks, so I make my mask at home. And this is going to be really super quick, and I'm going to insert pictures as I talk because I left my mask in the car. And I don't want to go get it because I'm being lazy, but I do want to talk to you about how I made it with coffee filters. And I was like, this isn't going to work, but it did. I'm going to insert a picture here. All right, so hopefully you saw my mask with the coffee filter. I didn't think it was going to work, but it did. What am I referring to? I put fabric. I laid down the coffee filter and I did fabric again, and I sewed the seams and I made a mask with coffee filters attached. They're not moving, they're not going anywhere. So yeah, I used a pillowcase. I used a pillowcase, coffee filters, and my serger. I don't have my sewing machine here, but I do have a serger. A serger is a special type of sewing machine that cuts the edges as it makes a seam. So I had to be very strategic because I knew that I had to be careful with what kinds of stitches I made because I didn't want to cut up all my fabric. So I made 4 stitches around the edges. Insert picture here. And it worked perfectly. I tied it around my face. Insert picture here. And it worked. So I'm excited. I wear it only when I have to. Whew, just thinking about it makes me really hot. But I don't go out often. So if you're in a bind and you really can't afford to buy a face mask, or you can't find any face mask, I know that I saw some articles saying that coffee filters are a good alternative to the medical grade ones. So yes, you can stitch a coffee filter without it ripping or tearing to fabric, and it worked. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I thank y'all so much for watching and helping me grow this channel. If you have not done so already, please like, share, and subscribe. And I do want to show you my style icon shirt. I'm wearing Plurvy like I do most days. I think I spilled some oil on it. when I was washing my hair. But anyway, style icon, Flurby.com. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. And until next time, with much love,